Still drowning in spreadsheets at midnight? Cross-referencing QuickBooks with Xero while Excel crashes for the third time this week? If you just felt your stomach drop because it hits way too close to home, you're not alone. I've talked to hundreds of business owners and accountants who describes their monthly reporting process the same way. Pure chaos. Picture this. It's Sunday night and you're hunched over your laptop with 3 different screens open. QuickBooks on one monitor, Xero on another, and that dreaded Excel file that somehow keeps multiplying tabs like it's a virus. You're manually copying numbers, double checking formulas, and secretly praying that you didn't mess up a calculation. That'll make you look incompetent in tomorrow's board meeting. And what's shitty is, you know there has to be a better way. You're smart, you're capable, but you're trapped in this endless cycle of manual work that makes you feel like you're working for numbers instead of them working for you. Every month is the same story. Chaos, confusion, wasted hours that could have been spent actually growing your business. This is what I find most compelling about this problem. You didn't start a business or choose finance as a career to become a spreadsheet monkey. You wanted to make strategic decisions, provide valuable insights, and actually enjoy what you do. Instead, you're stuck playing detective with numbers that should already be talking to each other. That's exactly why I need to tell you about Joiin today. And no, this isn't a software review where I throw features at you like confetti. This is about transformation. This is about getting your life back. Joiin is a financial consolidation software that connects directly with QuickBooks, Xero, Sage, and Excel to generate consolidated reports automatically. But here's what that actually means for you. Imagine pressing one button and watching your profit and loss statements, cash flow reports, and key performance indicators line up perfectly like soldiers in formation. No more manual copying, no more formula errors, no more Sunday night panic attacks. Let's explore who this is really for. If you're a small business owner juggling multiple entities or locations, and you're tired of piecing together financial puzzles every month, this is your answer. If you're an accountant managing dozens of clients, and you're sick of rebuilding the same report over and over again, this changes everything. If you're a finance manager who needs a polished board report, but you're currently cobbling them together with digital duct tape and prayer, pay attention. Maybe you're that person who's pulled one too many all-nighters trying to get reports ready for Monday morning meetings. Maybe you've sat in boardrooms presenting numbers you're only 70% confident in because you ran out of time to triple check everything. If any of this sounds familiar, keep watching. Here's what life looks like on the other side of this transformation. Instead of dreading reporting week like it's tax season, you'll actually look forward to it. You'll save hours every single month, reduce errors to almost zero, and walk into meetings looking like the financial rock star you were meant to be. Your colleagues will wonder how you suddenly became so efficient, and you'll just smile knowing you've got this incredible system working behind the scenes. The best part is how fast this transformation happens. Here's a quick win moment that'll blow your mind. You sign up for a free trial. Connect your QuickBooks or your Xero account. Your first consolidation report appears in under 5 minutes. That's the exact moment when everything clicks. That's when you go from overwhelmed to in control. I've watched this happen with my own eyes. Leanne, a small business owner I know, went from spending her entire weekends on monthly reporting to having them done in 2 hours. Mark, an accountant with 40 clients, cut his reporting time in half and started taking on new clients instead of turning them away. These aren't special people with magical abilities. They just stopped fighting their tools and started using ones that actually work. Let me walk you through what this actually looks like in practice. When you first log into Joiin, you'll see a clean dashboard that doesn't look like a NASA control panel. You connect your accounting software with a few clicks, and the platform starts pulling in your data automatically. Multi-currency transactions get converted seamlessly. Intercompany eliminations happen in the background without you lifting a finger. Reports generate with real-time data that updates as your business moves. The visual difference is stunning. Instead of staring at spreadsheet cells until your eyes blur, you're looking at a professional chart and graphs that actually tell a story. Board members understand them instantly. You can spot trends at a glance. Everything just makes sense. But here's what I really want you to understand. This isn't just about saving time, though you'll save tons of it. This isn't just about reducing errors, though you'll practically eliminate them. This is about reclaiming your role as a strategic financial professional instead of a data entry clerk. I've seen too many smart people waste years of their lives wrestling with spreadsheets that should have been retired decades ago. I've watched talented entrepreneurs burn out because they're spending more time on manual reporting than actually running their business. That's why I had to share this with you today. You deserve tools that match your intelligence and ambition. You deserve software that amplifies your skills instead of fighting against them. You deserve to go home at a reasonable hour instead of sacrificing your evenings of formula debugging. So here's what happens next. Click the link in the description below and start your free 14-day trial of Joiin. No credit card required, no sales pressure. Just pure testing to see how this transforms your reporting process. Connect your accounting software and create your first consolidated report today. Stop letting spreadsheets control your life. Stop accepting manual processes as just a part of the job. Let Joiin handle the heavy lifting while you focus on the strategic work you are actually trained for. Making this choice today will set your future self up for success. Trust me on this one. Stay dangerous.